Okay, everybody, welcome to another TIETS Informational. Today we are going to be talking about Panic Lab by Gigamic Incorporated Games out of France. This is authored by Dominique Erhard and illustrated by Maxim Cyr. Yes, Panic Lab from 8+, and it's 2 to 10 players. First of all, Panic Lab is basically about an amoeba that escapes from one of the laboratories and starts to cruise through the lab, going through vents and mutating into all different sorts. And we, as masterminds, scientists, or whatever we are, trying to capture these amoebas, are going to sit there and try to plow our brain, melt our brain until we can find the amoebas. So let's take a quick look at how we play it, and then we're going to come back and we're going to talk about Panic Lab. Okay, everybody, so here it is. Panic Lab set up and ready to play. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to check out the manual because we got to know how to play. Well, oh, look, there's 22 available languages. So pretty much you can play Panic Lab in any part of the world. You can even look at these exciting pictures in the rule book so you can check out your amoebas. So basically what happens is you're going to set up the board. You put all the little scoring tokens here. You put all 25 cards out, which includes vents, labs, amoebas, and little mutation stations here, right? So what happens is the first player is going to roll these dice or however you choose, and then it's going to go, oh, here we go. So first thing you're going to look at is this. It's blue and it's a white arrow, which means this amoeba escaping from the blue lab, and it's going this direction. So the amoeba is shooting this direction. So we know that what escaped out of here was this two-eyed little guy, and he's spotted, and he's blue and purple. Those are his colors. So if we were just at first glance to wonder where this guy was, we would say, oh, here he is. Oh, here he is. But how are we going to get that guy, and what's going to happen? So we're going to shoot through here. The first thing that happens, oh, look, it's a vent. So he's going to go through the vent, which means he skips all of these tiles and pops out this vent. When he pops out this vent, oh, he hits this little mutation area where he changes from from dots to stripes. So now, remember that? He's not dotted, guys, but you don't get to change that die because everyone's thinking as fast as they can to try to figure out where he is. So now he's a striped guy. I'm already losing track. And then we cruise along here. Oh, it's not that guy. Oh, it mutated again. No longer is it this guy. Now it's this guy. So he goes through there. He goes through this vent, so he skips all these guys. He's back in this vent. What are we looking for? So we're looking for a striped, oh, sorry, this doesn't flip. So we're looking for a striped, one-eyed guy who's blue and purple. One-eyed guy, that's him. So what I would do is I would point at that, and if I'm wrong and you're laughing at me in this video, I could be wrong. But I point at this guy, everybody goes, oh yeah, it's him, or oh, argues, or whatever. If we determine that it's him, I get a scoring token. If we determine that I'm wrong, and I have a scoring token, I lose it, and then the game continues until someone finds it. If for some reason, and it happens, it goes through 4 mutations, and then the round ends, the first person to put his finger on the mutation station and say, that's the 4th one, then he's going to get the point. And that, my friends, is how the madness in Panic Lab goes about. Okay, so that's a brief, quick little overview of Panic Lab, or better known as Mind Meld Lab, or Mind Crush Lab, or Destroy Your Brain Lab, or Realize that you're getting old and your brain doesn't function like it used to Lab. Especially if you play with young people. If you start playing this game with teenagers or kids, you're in trouble because their brains just work faster. And that's what it takes. I can't imagine this with 10 people, other than the fact that I'd be, running down the street screaming, maybe naked, I don't know. But this game drives me crazy. I played it a few times, and we were playing with a good friend of mine who has a very young, very functional brain, who destroyed us relentlessly, making us feel worse and worse and worse about ourselves every day, collecting these coins, and I swore I would never play Panic Lab again for the rest of my life. Alas, this is this person's birthday wish every year, so unfortunately, I'm entrapped playing this game a minimum of 1 time a year, and I would say that's the minimum because it's probably I'll play it because unless I get some, amp up on like 700 different B vitamins and get myself all pumped up and ready, maybe 5 cups of coffee or espresso or something. Anyway, basically, this game comes in 22 languages, so the insanity and the mind melding can happen anywhere in the world. And also, look at what Giga Games makes. They make all kinds of puzzle games. Wish I had known this before I got in. Not that I don't like puzzle games, but the ones where your brain has to work fast and you're going, okay, is he striped? Is he spot? Is he different colors? Okay, did he go through that vent? And the other people are already like, oh, it's him. Oh, it's this guy. It's this guy. So Panic Lab is insane. It's a game that will drive you absolutely crazy. But hey, if you like that kind of stuff and you got a bunch of people that are really quick-minded and like to go through it and like these cards, they could have made the tiles a little bit better. The dice, it's not stickers, so that's kind of nice. It's a nice metal tin case. Lots of languages, you can play it all over the world. With that said, just doing this review has made my head hurt. So with that said, enjoy Panic Lab. This is the kind of thing you like. I only play it once a year, and that's basically because I'm forced to by the birthday wishes of... I just can't say it because it makes me emotional, but I don't want to talk about it. It's a game I will never win. Maybe one day. I don't know. Maybe I'll just take some sort of class on it. I don't know, but that's it. Thanks, guys. Take it easy. Make sure you get your Advil. And anytime you play Panic Lab, make sure you get your favorite drink with you, because you're going to be filling this and taking Advil and maybe not sleeping. You will be in a panic, so see you later. Thanks.